world meant leaving everything behind for months. Oceans were barriers. Continents felt impossibly far apart. Journeys were slow, uncertain, and sometimes dangerous. Then everything changed. Airplanes did not just help people travel faster. They made the planet smaller. The idea of powered flight once sounded unrealistic. Early inventors experimented with shapes, engines, and wing designs, trying to understand how lift could overcome gravity. Progress was not instant. It required testing, redesigning, and learning from mistakes. But once aircraft began proving reliable, the pace of innovation accelerated. In the mid-20th century, jet engines transformed aviation completely. Aircraft such as the Boeing 707 introduced a new era of speed and global connectivity. What once took days could now take hours. Business leaders could attend meetings across oceans. Families separated by continents could reunite more easily. Tourism expanded beyond imagination. Airports became gateways between cultures. Over time, technology improved dramatically. Engineers focused on efficiency, safety, and passenger comfort. Materials became lighter yet stronger. Cockpits evolved into advanced digital environments filled with intelligent systems. Modern aircraft like the Airbus A350 and the Boeing 787 Dreamliner represent decades of engineering progress. Their composite structures reduce weight. Their aerodynamics increase fuel efficiency. Their cabins are designed to reduce fatigue during long flights. These airplanes are not only machines, they are moving ecosystems supported by pilots, maintenance crews, designers, meteorologists, and air traffic controllers. Every flight represents coordination on a global scale. When an aircraft prepares for departure, thousands of checks happen behind the scenes. Weather patterns are analyzed, flight paths are optimized, fuel loads are calculated precisely. Ground crews inspect every visible surface. Inside the cockpit, pilots review procedures carefully before engines even start. Yet to passengers, it feels simple. The aircraft lines up on the runway. Engines build power. Acceleration presses you gently into your seat. Within seconds, the ground drops away. Buildings shrink. Roads turn into thin lines. Soon you are above the clouds, watching sunlight reflect across endless white landscapes in the sky. From that altitude, borders disappear. Mountains look smaller. Cities blend into patterns. The perspective changes how you see the world. Airplanes did more than reduce travel time. They reshaped economies. Fresh food can be transported quickly across continents. Medical supplies can reach remote regions within hours. International collaboration in science and technology became easier because distance lost its power. Students study abroad. Athletes compete globally. Ideas move faster because people can move faster. The future of aviation continues to evolve. Engineers are developing sustainable aviation fuels to reduce environmental impact. Electric propulsion systems are being tested for shorter routes. Advanced wing designs are improving aerodynamic performance. Digital systems allow aircraft to communicate real-time performance data to ground teams. Innovation never stops. What makes aviation truly remarkable is not only the technology but the mindset behind it. Human beings refused to accept limitations imposed by distance. Instead of seeing oceans as obstacles, they designed machines capable of crossing them. Instead of accepting slow travel, they built engines that generate enormous thrust with controlled precision. Airplanes demonstrate what happens when curiosity meets discipline and engineering meets imagination. Today, thousands of aircraft are in the sky at any given moment, each one carrying stories. Someone is heading toward a new opportunity. Someone is returning home. Someone is exploring a different culture for the first time. All of it happens because wings were engineered to lift metal into the air with stability and control. The world did not physically shrink, but airplanes changed how we experience it. Time zones feel closer. Opportunities feel reachable. The sky became a highway connecting nations. And as technology continues advancing, aircraft will become even more efficient, sustainable, and intelligent. From early jetliners like the Boeing 707 to advanced wide-body aircraft like the Airbus A350 and Boeing 787 Dreamliner, aviation shows a clear message. Progress is built step by step. Each generation improves upon the last. Each innovation expands what is possible. The next time you see an airplane crossing the sky, remember that it represents more than transportation. It represents global connection. It represents human determination. It represents a world that feels smaller not because it changed in size, but because we learned how to cross it with speed, precision, and vision.